To check the Coinbase system status, follow these steps. First, open a web browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. Once you are on the Coinbase homepage, click on the help link at the top of the page. This will take you to the Coinbase support page where you can find information on various topics, including system status. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the support page and click on the system status link. This link will take you to the Coinbase status page where you can view the current status of all Coinbase systems on this page. You will see a list of all Coinbase services, including the website, mobile app, and APIs, along with their current status. The status of each service will be indicated by a colored circle, with green indicating that the service is operational, yellow indicating that the service is experiencing some issues, and red indicating that the service is down. You can also view a history of past incidents and scheduled maintenance on this page. In addition to the Coinbase website, you can also check the Coinbase status on their Twitter account, which is dedicated to providing updates on system status and any issues that may be occurring. To do this, simply navigate to the Coinbase status Twitter page and view the latest tweets, which will provide information on any current or upcoming issues. It is a good idea to check the Coinbase system status regularly, especially before making any transactions or using the platform. This will help you to avoid any issues that may be caused by system downtime or maintenance. By following these steps, you can easily check the Coinbase system status and stay informed about any issues that may be affecting the platform.